is this great?
Amazing, mate. Amazing.
Where the fuck are you going? Jesus, man. Oh, for fuck's sake. Really? You fucking idiot.
In 500 meters, merge onto
Fucking
M1.
learner. You are kidding me. Just because you got a Bentley, huh?
Turn left onto Bruce Street.
Clever.
I may not be a smart man, but I know something's fucked up when I see it.
What are you doing?
Turn left onto Williamstown Road.
Yeah, that was a red light, mate.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
What if they put the machine in front of the car net, like in front of this car? Oh. Come on. Follow them.
Pull over. You're on camera. I will report you to, and you're going to get, it doesn't matter, it may be underneath that you can't see. Yes, you did.
in this device, we now have what we believe is the highest watt-hour per kilogram value ever realized in an electrochemical device. And in
what
numbers,
the fuck's name are you
we've
doing?
been chasing, the high watermark, the milestone for us, has been 1,000 watt-hour.
I wish they'd named the band. I would have liked to have their off-the-cuff name for that.
For that band?
Yeah.
What, did they have a name for their band?
Not that I know of.
I think they said it at some point, but I don't remember. Okay, I'm gonna look real.
The Horny Teens.
That can't possibly be taken, right?
I do have a friend who is my age who's in a band called Teenage Sex.
I knew the dick was gonna do it. A genuine asshole.
Look around, look. You're only one fad away from being retro. Look around, look. You're only one drug away from liking techno. Look around, look. You're only one glasses a pair from dyslexia. Look around, look. You're only one Cleo Mag from anorexia. You're only 5 yards from a fire queen. Mob. You're only one acting role from a real job. You're only one strip of flesh from your bones. You're only one species away from Alan Jones. You're only one small speck in space. You're only one life soon erased. Be there none left on earth but you. One thing will still remain true.
Stupid person on a wet road.
to real well-being.
There's some American muscle coming. This is the Shimano.
Hot rod?
Once you get inside, say, Toronto or Vancouver, and you're away from this localized cooling effect, it's not going to have much of a...
That's beautiful.
Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme. Get on up. It's bobsled time. Cool running.
Oh, there's Bruce.
Or investing in a better future.
See it?
Yeah. Or call for equality. Well, with Hester, your super can do all of this. So it doesn't have to be RACV car loans today.
Oh, Mr. Kangaroo in the middle of the road. And he's a big boy.
108 to 74.
Very big boy. There you go, mate.